Okay, so we're in Xi'an, China. I'm gonna go get a Chinese hamburger, which is right over there. And before we even do, let me just kind of show you where this kind of interesting little four corners here. And this is kind of like the old roads of the Silk Road, I believe. Xi'an, China. And it's kind of funny. So before I get my Chinese hamburger, I'll just kind of show you where we're at. There's some period pieces over here. Just kind of cool. And lots of traffic all around in here. But we're gonna go over there and get our Chinese hamburger. There's a big tree to witness it all. So let's go over there and get something to eat and get something to drink. Xi'an, China. Okay, so let's head on over there. So we're gonna go over to this one, and let's just see if we can actually get one. Okay. There was a lady here. Can I get one of these? Can I get the beef? Yeah. One. So she's gonna get me one. It seems like most things here are about 15, so this is also 15 as well. So she just put something in the in that little heater thing right there. So yeah, it should be pretty tasty. And she's gonna ring it up right now on the register. And this is the street that we're on, so we're getting lots of so a lot of people are watching. Actually, everybody has cameras. Thank you. Everybody has cameras everywhere, but of course nobody has a camera as a foreigner, so I'm getting the attention anyways, but I'm also getting it with. So she's gonna make that, and then we're gonna try to find a place to enjoy it. I am getting lots of looks, so let me just kind of flip this around. And you got a guy right there. So actually a lot of people, they're coming around, they'll see me filming, then they'll come around the other side behind me and look to see what I'm filming. So okay, so I'm also gonna get something to drink in a moment as well. And I think I'm gonna get like this pomegranate is my plan. Then I gotta find a place to sit as well. So finding somewhere to sit would be the challenge. But it should be pretty tasty, I'm looking forward to it. So we're gonna get one of those, and then also a pomegranate, and then we're gonna go probably all the way down to the end of the street, find somewhere to sit. That's our basic plan. Since 1928. Sounds cool. So we're still waiting for that one, but actually I see the pomegranate that I want, which is over here. So I'm gonna go over and get one of those. Is that pomegranate? Actually, that's watermelon. So I wanted to get the pomegranate, which is we'll look for that in a minute. So it looks like she almost has it ready. She's putting some juices in there as well. So she's got the meat and the juices, and now it's all ready. Thank you. That looks really tasty. It's really, really tasty. So what I'm gonna do, I guess, is I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna look for this pomegranate. Oh, it's really hot. Oh, okay. That's really good. It also has like a little bit of spice to it. Just a little bit like the same spice of Sichuan, but it doesn't numb your mouth, so it's not quite the same, but there's some similarities to that. Okay. I'm actually going to wrap this up for a second. I'm gonna look for some pomegranate. What's that? Oh, those are Chinese medicine. Okay. I got these earlier, so actually I got a bunch of different items. So. So at the moment what I'm doing is I'm looking for some pomegranate juice, and I'm also looking for a place to eat. And at the same time kind of showing you. So I think this is our pomegranate right here. So I'm gonna get one of these. Hello, I'll get one. Tinda? Tinda. Okay. Okay. I don't know if Tinda is fresh.
15.
Okay. Okay. I think there's. So let me see. Any of these. Is that right? Like this? So I think she's gonna get a fresh one. I think. Oh yeah, there she is. Oh, okay. Perfect. So she got a fresh one and a big straw. Shishi. There we go. Now we're all set. So now we got this one, and we also we also got this one as well. So we got all set up now. Now all we need is just somewhere to eat. Oh wow, that tastes really good. That is really, really tasty. Wow. Okay, so my observation is pretty much everything is 15. So the drink was 15, this was 15. I got some other snacks, like that corn that you see, that's like in a big spherical shape. That was also 15. I got some nugget stuff that I didn't show on the camera. That's also 15. Nuns. So now all I need to do is find somewhere to eat. Oh wow, that's really good. That pomegranate, wow. That's one great thing about the food here is that everything is so cheap. 15 yuan. I can't remember what that is in dollars, but I think it's maybe like $2 or something like that. It's kind of cool. So basically I'm looking for somewhere to sit while sharing with you what it looks like here in Xi'an. Can't wait to enjoy this food. Okay. So I'm going to put the camera away, find a place to eat this. Okay, so now we can adequately look at that. Got this, and I'm just going to sit and enjoy it. Find a place to sit. So I'm going to be right here eating this. Got good food in Xi'an. Really good food. The second time I eat this today. First one had like a red meat. Tastes a little bit different, but same ingredients. Same bread. Same style. Okay.
Xi'an, toma cuidado la posibilidad.